Acustica Audio have been making a lot of noise in the plugin market, partly because of the computer processing power that is required, mostly for the quality of their plugins, and of course for their flagship known as Nebula. But they have also released a nice number of free plugins, both for PC and Mac users. I will be covering all of these free plugins independently, but can't think of a finer one to start with than the Coffee the Pun from Acustica Audio. Coffee the Pun is a two-band EQ that combines a passive bass EQ with an active treble EQ. The bass band of the EQ functions very similarly to a Pultec-style EQ, offering a cut and boost knob. The Qs for both bands are wide and unadjustable. Consider that. Also consider there is a preamp, so this EQ is going to be best utilized for adding color, so it would be best to put it on a 2-bus or a bus channel. Before we continue on to the listening test, please remember to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. This helps me to grow the channel, which will also help me to bring better quality content in the future. Now let's get to the listening test. What are your thoughts on the Coffee the Pun from Acustica Audio? Please be sure to put your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you personally think of the plugin. Be sure to stay tuned. The next free Acustica Audio plugin I will be talking about is the Choral Baxter. Until next time.